In this video, we will solve this math where find the moment of resistance, RCC beam 300 mm wide, 500 mm depth, effective depth, 3 reinforcement bar of 16 mm, so an M20 concrete and Fe45 steel used. So this will find in this video. Hello friend, I am Saumedip, back to a new tutorial video regarding RCC. Last video we will discuss solve a math. If you missed, go to the I button or go to the playlist section and check out the last video. So without further delay, let's get started. First we write given data. Okay, given data B equal to 300 mm, D effective depth, that is 500 mm, 3 number of 16 mm bars, that means AST equal to, that is the procedure, you have to find out the value from the given data as much as possible. 3 into pi by 4 into 16 into 16, that is 48.5, and M20 is the grade and Fe415 is the steel grade, and we have to find out moment of resistance. Now we have to solve this question. First, as M20, then sigma CVC equal to your 7 Newton per mm square. As you use the Fe415, so sigma ST equal to 230 Newton per mm square. Now we have to find modular ratio. 280 by 3 sigma CVC. So 280 divided by 3 into 7, that is roughly 13.33. AST is your 48.5. AST equal to 48.5. So 48 into 3.14 mm square, that means roughly it is 603.42. Critical neutral axis, that is equal to M sigma CBC sigma ST equal to NC by D minus NC. (13.33) into 7 by 230 equal to NC 500 minus NC. From here we have to find NC, that is NC equal to 144.13 mm. This is the critical neutral axis. So what is the value of actual neutral axis? That is B n square by 2 M AST D minus N. 300 into N square by 2 equal to 13.33 into 603.42, 500 minus N. So N equal to 139.13. So actual neutral axis is less than neutral axis balance section. So that means it is under reinforcement section. If under reinforcement section, then moment resistance equal to moment due to steel. Moment due to steel means the sigma ST AST to D minus N by 3. That means 230 into AST value 603.42 to 500 minus 139.13 by, why taking 1? Because it is the actual, we take always actual value. So that equal to 62.95 kilonewton meter. So this is the answer of moment of resistance. Yeah, this is a very short and simple video regarding solution of this math. Hope you understand. If there is any kind of doubt, do comment in comments. I will definitely get back to you. If you find some knowledge from this video, then definitely like the video, share and subscribe the video to your friends and group. And for more this content, subscribe the channel. And yeah, see you soon with next maths problem. Thank you for watching this video.